Passing pointers to a function. Passing pointer means to pass a pointer argument in the calling function to the corresponding formal parameter of the called function. The called function can modify the value of the variable to which the pointer argument points. When you pass by pointer, a copy of the pointer is passed to the function. Now let us see one example in order to implement this. Pointers passing to the function. Hash include studio.h void salary hike of int star variable, that is a pointer variable. Now we are passing to the function, comma int b is a normal variable followed by semicolon. Int main, so I am taking the identifiers int salary equal to 0, bonus equal to 0. Next, printf, enter the employee current salary, that I am storing it in salary using scanf. Scanf %d, comma address of salary. Printf, enter the bonus. Scanf, now I am reading the bonus as %d, comma address of bonus. Next, salary hike of address of salary. Here address of salary is nothing but now I am giving the pointer variable, which means I need to take the address there. Because in the function declaration we have written it as int star var, which is nothing but it should take a address, because we know that a pointer is a variable which stores the address of another variable. Now address of salary should be given to the variable, comma bonus. Now we are going to call the function called salary hike. Now salary hike, here we have int star var, comma int b. So star var equal to star var plus b. Now we are going to add it. And then we need to return this value back to the function. So as it is a void function, the value will be given to the function call where the function is being called. So printf, so the final salary is %d /n followed by salary. Now we are going to return the salary in the final output. So this is how we can pass the pointer variables to the function. Let us see one example program. The next problem statement is this is an example for passing pointers to functions. To implement the concept of passing pointers to functions. So for this you can also take one example, that is the program which we have already done for call by reference. So this is a program which is also an example for implementing the concept of passing pointers to functions. So with the help of this concept, to implement the concept of passing parameters to functions and perform sum of two numbers. Very simple program. Hash include stdio.h. So here I'll take int sum of int star a, comma int star b, int main. So here we are going to read the values of a and b. So I'll take p, q, r is for result. Printf, enter the values of a, p and q. Enter the values of p and q. Scanf, percentile D, comma, address of P, comma, address of Q. So here I'll take R equal to sum of address of P, comma, address of Q. So this is also an example for call by reference. Here I am printing the value printf, the addition of percentile D and percentile D is percentile D. So the first one is P, Q and the other one is R. Return 0, int sum of int star m, comma, int star n. So here I can write return directly the values of this star m plus star n. So this is how we can add the two pointer numbers, and we can implement the concept of passing pointers to functions. So these are the pointer variables which we are passing to functions. Let me execute this code and check whether the addition of two numbers I am going to get the correct result or not. 100 and 200. The addition of 100 and 200 is 300. So this is how we can implement the concept of pointers, passing pointers to functions and perform any given logic. For example, if you want addition, this is for addition. If you want subtraction, just change the sign as minus. If you want to perform multiplication, you can perform multiplication. So depending upon the problem statement, you should be able to implement according to this signature, that is passing pointers to functions.